Compressors make our routine or tough tasks easier. Some tasks are of such difficulty that they can't be done perfectly by us. Having a compact, portable, easy to carry, a cheap compressor is a good sound to ears. So, to make the challenge easy, we recommend the best Pancake Air Compressor. There are many products available to choose. 6-gallon Pancake Air Compressor, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Pancake Air Compressor from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DEWALT 6-gallon Pancake Air Compressor. The DEWALT is equipped with a 120 volts, 10A, universal motor. It is designed with an efficient motor that can be easily started in cold weather. The quiet environment during functioning is a demanding feature. You will never have to add oil, as the pump is oil-free. No leakage, no cleaning, and no maintenance, but ensure long life usage. Also, cost and time-saving benefits go side by side with the oil-less option. By holding it from the handle, one can easily move it to any working site. For compact and convenient storage, it has cord wrap, which is also a plus point during portability. It is equipped with universal couplers, thus can be used for 2 users at a time without much loss of air pressure. This is because of the availability of the high-performance flow regulator and couplers. To perform fast and thorough draining, it has a ball drain valve. Moreover, it is protected by a console cover, which also allows easy repair. Well, to avoid damage and prevent marring the bottom, it has protective rubber leg covers. Number 2. Craftsman 6-gallon Air Compressor. Though the Craftsman CMEC 6150K air compressor isn't one of our favorites, we didn't dislike it either. It has a 6-gallon capacity, which seems to be about average as far as Pancake Air Compressors come. It doesn't require any oil, so you won't have to change the oil either. It is designed to start up quickly and easily in cold weather, and we didn't have any complaints there. It comes with 13 different accessories, including a blowgun, tire gauge, and air hose. The air compressor has everything you need to get started. This air compressor is advertised to run up to 150 psi, however, it does not seem actually to get that high. It will hold 150 psi for a few seconds, but it quickly drops down once the tank begins to empty. It is not suitable for tools that need 150 psi to run. There seems to be a multitude of problems involving the safety control valve as well. Sometimes, it tends to leak, which can make the air compressor practically worthless. Number 3. Bostit 6-gallon Pancake Air Compressor. Bostit 6-gallon air compressor features a 2.6 SCFM 90 psi pump, which can give output up to a maximum of 150 psi. The max psi not only delivers long running time, but also saves time by fast recovery. Operational noise level of about 78.5 decibels, which is in the tolerable range. This noise level will not disturb the conversation while the compressor is operational. Enjoy long life and convenient use because of oil-free maintenance-less pump, thus saving refilling cost and time. The optimal air tool performance is provided by the high-flow regulators and couplers. Number 4. Briggs & Stratton Air Compressor. The Briggs & Stratton Air Compressor is expensive. It can hold 6 gallons in all, which is about average. It can reach 135 psi. This is a decent amount. However, it is less than much of the competition, and most of the competition is much cheaper as well. It has 1.5 horsepower and is oil-free, 2 features that we can't complain about. It comes with built-in accessory storage, but doesn't come with any accessories. This machine is also quite heavy, so you may have difficulties moving it around. It is also quite large, so it isn't exactly easy to store away when you aren't using it. Number 5. Porter Cable 6-gallon Air Compressor. Porter compressor is loaded with the motor operated at 120 V, providing 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi. It is specially designed for high tool performance and quick compressor recovery. The low ampere current is drawn to ensure a fast start in cold weather. The motor also features replaceable brushes for a longer lifespan and improved performance. Perfect for filling tires or firing a nailer. Also, the high-flow air regulator helps to protect against a large pressure drop. The 6-gallon tank is pancake-shaped, which is stabilized from over vibrations with rubber feet. Since the pump is oil-free, which ensures durability, no maintenance, and longer life. This makes it best for everyday tasks on different sites. Ergonomic design with a firm and shroud handle makes its transportability easier. While the console cover protector provides safety to the main control components, which ensures the user to carry the compressor safely to any working site. The air coupler and plug are factory installed on the air housing to prevent leakage and save extra labor. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.